In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily protect your IP address in calls on WhatsApp app on an iPhone and Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up WhatsApp app. Then tap right here to head over to Settings. In Settings, we need to get into Privacy. Then scroll down to the very bottom and tap at Advanced. That's where we can easily find Protect IP address in calls. And if we would like to make it harder for people to infer our location, calls on this device will be securely relayed through WhatsApp service if that option turned on. Keep in mind that this will for sure reduce call quality. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.